In your data center, you have 96 terabytes of storage attached to a server running Windows Server 2019 using storage spaces. And then, the unthinkable. What now? Since storage spaces is software defined by the operating system, did you lose all that data? No, your data is still intact. Since the storage spaces server was running on an old version of Windows Server, now is the perfect time to upgrade. Install the Windows Server SKU for which you are licensed, Standard or Data Center. During the operating system installation, over at an administrative workstation, reset the server's computer account using Active Directory Users and Computers or Active Directory Administrative Center if the server was domain joined. Since the old server is being replaced, reuse the same IP address and server name. Rejoin the server to the domain. In Server Manager, File and Storage Services, Storage Pools, you should see the storage pool with a caution symbol. Right-click and select Set Read-Write Access. Click the server name followed by OK. In the Virtual Disks area, you will see the virtual disk also has a caution symbol. Right-click and select Attach Virtual Disk and acknowledge the dialog by clicking Yes. Right-click the virtual disk again and select Properties. Click Details and select the Is Manual Attached property. Notice the value is true. We must change this value to false so that the disk attaches during boot. Open an administrative PowerShell session and type the following commands. Back in Server Manager, in the left pane, click Disks. In the Disk section, you may see the disk listed as offline. Right-click, select Bring Online, and acknowledge the dialog box. Depending on the size of your volume, this might take a while. Please be patient. Notice in the Volumes area, the disk was assigned the next available drive letter, which may not match what was set in the original server. Right-click the drive letter and select Manage Drive Letter and Access Paths. Restore the drive letter to its original assignment. Likewise, if the drive was mounted to a folder, re-establish the path. Open File Explorer, and you will now see the drive is back online. Also, any explicit NTFS or REFS permissions applied to the folders or files will be retained for any local or domain users or groups. Reboot the server. The rebuilt server is now operational, and the 96 terabyte storage spaces drive remains intact. Since the same computer name was reused, any group policies applied to its OU remain in effect. Permissions applied to groups of which the server is a member are still valid. Any delegations assigned to the server are also still valid. However, some configurations need to be restored. Recreate any previous network shares. Reinstall and configure any necessary applications, roles, features, or services. And ensure the server is fully patched and updated. As you see, storage spaces can survive a complete operating system reinstallation with no data loss. I hope you enjoyed this video, learned something new, and found it helpful. If you have any feedback, corrections, or suggestions, please feel free to share them in the comments. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with others. And I thank you for watching.